Yeah, I had an amazing experience with the Master Data Analytics program offered by 30 Days Coding. This course was a game changer for me. Over just in 6 months, I went from having a basic understanding of data confidently, analyzing complex data sets, and building insights projects. This hands-on approach made all the difference every day. There was a new challenge covering everything from Python and SQL to advanced visualization techniques. The step-by-step guidance and real-world examples kept me engaged and motivated throughout the journey. By the end of this program, I had not only mastered essential tools but also developed a portfolio of projects that showcase my skills. If you are looking to accelerate your learning and truly master data analytics, 30 days coding is a perfect platform. I highly recommended it to anyone ready to take their skills to the next level.